Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to post a job on Facebook page. Actually, before there is this option here in Facebook where you can see jobs, and then there you can post anything like if you want or if you're looking for a job specifically. However, this time you cannot see that option or it has been removed. But don't worry, what you're going to do here is you have to look for other ways in order for you to post a job on Facebook. So you just have to go to the search bar and then type something like video editing, and let's just say you want to post a job related to this, then go to pages and then go to the specific pages right here and then look for that someone you want to hire, or you can also comment or post something here about a job or post a job on these pages. However, if you can't post, and then you can go for other ways like marketplace and then post for a job right here if you can post to pages. Another thing is you can go to groups and then look for a specific group related to this niche. And then what you're going to do is to post a job there. Okay. So if you have found that specific group, or I should say this one is a page, and then you can simply type something here like looking for a video editor or looking for a thumbnail maker and then post. Okay, you could also add an image here as a sample. You can tag someone, you can add a video, you can add location, you can change the background, everything is up to you. Now, another thing is that since the job feature on Facebook has been removed, you can also create your own page and then add people there. So, for example, I have this page right here. This is my page. And then if I added a lot of people here, different types of people, then after that, you can add or you can post a job here on your Facebook. So it's like you're posting a job on your Facebook page. And this Facebook page has a lot of members. Okay. So this is the other way on how to post a job on Facebook page, since the job feature on Facebook page has been removed. Create a page, create another page, and then post a job there. But you have to make sure that this page has lots of followers or members. And that's it. So if you have found this video helpful, or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below, and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.